Greetings and salutations, esteemed viewers of the channel. In the present audiovisual presentation, our focus shall shift towards a comprehensive examination of the 5 foremost advancements in medical technological innovation. The field of medicine, undeniably categorized amongst the most rapidly evolving industries, incessantly witnesses advancements that significantly transform methodologies pertaining to the diagnosis, treatment, or administration of health-related challenges. Such pioneering inventions foster enhanced patient care experiences while simultaneously facilitating a healthcare system that is increasingly accessible and efficient in its operations. Thus, let us now delve into this enumerated compilation of remarkable innovations poised to sculpt the forthcoming trajectory of medical practice. 1. Artificial intelligence in diagnostics. Artificial intelligence, AI, in the field of medicine is gaining strong grounds. Among them, artificial intelligence on diagnostics has become the most significant. These AI algorithms have been devised to interpret complex medical data, including image scans, lab results, and past history, to diagnose different conditions. In radiology, AI technology has proved to be helpful in detecting any abnormalities in X-rays, MRIs, or CT scans with very high precision. One of the most impressive applications of AI in diagnostics is its ability to detect diseases such as cancer at an early stage. For example, AI can drive systems that analyze mammograms and spot features indicative of breast cancer, but which could be missed by humans. A related area is diagnostic AI tools that are able to quickly comb through large volumes of data and thus help doctors more quickly and accurately make diagnoses. In addition to imaging, AI is also being applied to pathology for the analysis of tissue samples and dermatology for assessing skin conditions. The ability of AI to learn and get better in order to diagnose will ensure that its power of diagnosis increases and may subsequently lead to more early detection and good results. 2. Telemedicine and Remote Monitoring. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoption of telemedicine. Its benefits have spanned beyond crisis management. During a telemedicine visit, patients consult healthcare providers remotely through video calls and other online platforms. It is of immense benefit to patients in rural or underserved areas where access to healthcare can be difficult. Another very important aspect of telemedicine is remote monitoring in healthcare. Now patients can measure their own vital parameters, such as heartbeats, blood pressure, and glucose levels, at home using smart technology and gadgets on the body. Real-time data flows into the hands of the doctors to monitor continuously and enable them to take timely intervention. In fact, telemedicine and remote monitoring have proven to be especially valuable for managing chronic conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. They are convenient, restrict the number of face-to-face meetings, and enable the better management of the influx of patients into healthcare facilities. As technology continues to grow, more complex remote monitoring devices and platforms will be developed in order to improve the care for patients and reach them as well. 3. CRISPR and Gene Editing. CRISPR-Cas9 technology is revolutionizing genetic research in medicine. With CRISPR, scientists can make very specific and targeted alterations to the DNA sequence of a living organism, holding out the hope of treatments for genetic diseases at their source. All this is possible with the help of a special type of enzyme, called Cas9, that can cut DNA at a specific site to add, delete, or otherwise change genetic material. One of the most promising applications of CRISPR is in the treatment of genetic diseases such as sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, and muscular dystrophy. The correction of such genes with CRISPR might be enough to cure that kind of disease or drastically reduce its severity. Among the other novel applications currently under investigation are new therapeutic approaches in the field of cancer that target the cancer cells directly at a genetic level. Even though the use of CRISPR in humans is currently in its early stages, the potential for the future of medicine from this technique is immense. Great attention is paid to ethical and safety issues, and the research continues to secure that gene editing is both effective and safe for clinical application. 4. 3D printing in medicine. The potential of 3D printing technology in medical science is already making a splash, with solutions in surgical procedures, prosthetics, and medical devices. One of the most revolutionary applications of the 3D technique lies in custom prosthetics and implants. These may be very personal compared to traditional manufacturing as they fit perfectly for a patient, hence offering a solution that meets the patient's specific requirements. The concept is used in surgical practice, where surgeons use the technology to model anatomical parts on which they will conduct surgery. Such a model clearly pictures the area under surgery, an aspect which will enable pre-surgical planning and practice, thus reducing chances of complications during surgery. Besides, 3D printing is done on surgical guides and tools on a tailored basis for specific surgeries in order to add value to precision and outcomes. Another interesting application of 3D printing is in the area of bioprinting, whereby there are ongoing studies on printing tissues and organs. Although now organ formation is still experimental, the possibilities for organ scarcity and organ transplant success with 3D printing are immense. 5. Wearable Health Technology. Wearable health technology has become popular and can now provide real-time health monitoring and the collection of data on health. Smartwatches and fitness trackers will usually have such data monitoring sensors as a heart rate, sleep, physical activity, and oxygen level monitor. This kind of information from the wearables can assist in monitoring health and fitness goals while simultaneously alerting for emerging health problems. Besides wearable devices that focus on consumers, a specific class of wearables exists in medicine for patients with certain health conditions. For instance, a wearable ECG monitor will sense and acquire readings on any deviations of the heartbeat, while a CGM provides a real-time reading of glucose levels, a really valuable feature in diabetes care. These devices allow a much more precise monitoring process and provide an opportunity for active health management. This data from continuous health measurement can also be contributed to clinical trials and research where, with the constant stream of data, the researcher better understands just how well a treatment works in the real world. As technology continues to grow, wearables will only become more advanced, monitoring and managing health issues in newer ways. Now let's take a look at the top 5 developments of medical technology that have altered the healthcare industry. From AI and diagnostics, to the potential of CRISPR and practical applications of 3D printing, boosting health to be more efficient, reachable, and customizable. As these technologies mature further, they hold the promise of improving patient outcomes and future developments that will be very bright for healthcare. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech trends. Stay healthy and informed.